Hello, good morning again here. I know you couldn't attend this meeting, so um, here you have my face, and whatever you need, of course, you can ask me. But I wanted you to know that we have to, or today we were going to work with Unit 7D and 7E. And here you have the page uh, 7D 88 and 7E applying for a job 89. Okay, so this is we have we have been discussing a lot about job and this time a job interview. So I wanted you to watch a video, and I wanted you to take notes about. I don't know if you have watched Friends before. I think I really like it. I really like the series, and I prepared a video for you to watch, which is in the Google Classroom. So there you have all the instructions. And we were going to start with job adverts or ads. And the first one you have here is one of Enzo's Pizza. And I wanted you to tell me if you would apply to this kind of job, because you told me something about ball and the many interviews you had to attend, and it was very hard to apply for that job, but there you are, you're working there, so great for you. And I don't know, I wanted to ask you if you had the opportunity to change. For example, if you had the opportunity, don't think about this now, but if you could work, would you work in a pizza restaurant? Uh, because many people that travel abroad work in wherever they can find. So I wanted you to take a look at this at, at this ad, and tell me if you would work, or are you good at cooking, or at um, serving people. I don't know. uh, I don't think I would be a good cook, but if you have to work, I don't know. If you need to work, of course. So then I also uploaded um, a listening activity, which is here in the book, real life a job interview. So you told me that you needed some listening training because, of course, listenings are very difficult for everyone. So first of all, I would like you to listen to it once and pay attention and take notes. Take notes of everything you think it's important. And then listen to it again. But before you have to read the sentences you have here, there are 6 sentences, and you have to write true or false after you listen or while you are listening to the part. And I would like you to tell me if you think Henia is a good person for the job in the in the interview you are listening to. And well, if it's uh, after this, of course, we are going to check together next class. And again, we are going to do next activity, which is, wait, okay, this is my first or second time I use this program, so I'm new at this. As you know, we are learning about a lot of tools nowadays, and it's a must now that we have to stay at home. So, but this is a good tool to explain a class, and you have the screen and you have me speaking. Okay, so if you listen to it again, to the listening, you have to do activity 5. Okay, so listen to it again, complete all the questions that you have below, or the questions you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 5 and 6, sorry, and then you have to match 5 questions with the categories involved. So the questions you have at the beginning here. These questions, you have to match them with these 4 categories you have here. You have your current life and job, and these are some of the questions you may get. Then you have reasons for applying. Then you have past experience and qualifications, and then you have questions for the interviewer. So you have to match these questions you have here with the categories you have here in bold. These are the ones I mentioned before. Okay, so we'll check, of course, that in the next class. Again, if you need any help, you can write to me in the WhatsApp group we have, or in a private message. And I would like you to write about this one, about this job ad, and I would like you to make a job interview for this one. Yes, a short interview. It's you and the manager, and well, I know you have a lot of experience in job interviews, so you can write about it. So of course, you have you can upload a word in the as a file inside the task. Okay, so I can correct it and give it back to you. Then we have 7E, which is applying for a job. So I will give this is about writing a CV. Okay, we have the same word for Spanish, but I'm leaving you a website. I'm leaving you a website for you to check the difference between CV and resume. Yes, because they are similar, but they have a difference. So I want you to make a chart between a chart with CVs and resume, and which is the difference you can find between those two. CV is a curriculum vitae, which we use the same word for that, and resume. I'll type this word in the task I leave you, and I'll leave you the website so you can check there the difference you can find. Okay, so with this, I know you have written probably a lot of CVs, so also I would like you to tell me how you made your first CV, if you remember anything about it. What about the CV? Did you have a template, or someone made it for you, or you learned at school? I remember my first CV. I made it because I learned how to make a CV at secondary school. So probably you did the same, or I don't know. So I would like you to tell me about the first one, your first CV. So well, we are going to complete the CV with these headings you have here. You have 8 headings, and you will have to write them down in the curriculum vitae of Aldo Peterson. Okay? And well, we are going to end this part here, and I would like you to check C here. We have to you have to rewrite these sentences for a CV. So pay attention to the sentences you already have in the other CV, and next class we are going to discuss about this, because how to make a CV. For example, in the first one, you don't say I'm studying, so you say studying mathematics at university. So we will discuss why this is the best way, or this is the way to write a CV. Okay, starting with the gerund. Why do we do this? Okay, so well, that's all for now, and check please all the instructions you have, the instructions I uploaded in the Google Classroom. Bye. Thank you.